Hi everyone, in this video we'll be looking at a small ground floor plan. So coming to the plot, so this plot has three roads. Okay, it is east road, west road and south road. Okay, and but in reality we are taking approach or we are arranging the main board gate on the eastern side. Okay, so next coming to the dimensions of the plot. The plot width is 27 feet and length of the plot is 39 feet 6 inches. Okay, as the plot width is 27, we are just leaving 3.5 feet in the north direction and 2 feet in the south direction and 2.5 in the west direction. And in the east we are just leaving 3 feet. Okay, so if you observe from the main gate or main gate, so the parking area we are getting, it's like in length we are getting 17 feet 8 inches and in width we are getting 13 feet 5 inches. Okay, so say comfortably we can park medium sized car. Okay. Next, coming to the main living room, so the dimensions are in this way. It is 9 feet 9 inches and in this length this is 10 feet 6 inches. Okay, this is very maybe comfortable size or minimum size we can say. It's not of big size. Next, from the living room only we are just giving door for children bedroom, just the northeast corner of this room. So the size of this room is in this way it is 12 feet and in this way it is 9 feet 6 inches. Next comes the master bedroom. The dimensions in this way it is 10 feet and in this way it is 12 feet. Okay, so we are just arranging attached toilet for the master bedroom. So comfortable size. It is 4.5 feet width and it is 6 feet length. Reasonably comfortable size bathroom we are arranging. And there comes a kitchen and dining area. This is also like in length we are getting 13 feet and in width we are getting 9 feet 9 inches. So here you can just arrange any puja unit over here or somewhere here also you can arrange according to the comfort. Even you can arrange external staircase, arrange external toilet under staircase by leaving space here. Okay, this is about this. Thank you.